The enemy engines were allowed to. The free engines, James, Henry, and Gordon, were allowed to work again. But meanwhile, dun. Who are you, Uncle, for doing that? No, you won't. You won't invite Aura away. You're not doing that. Oh! No, you're not. Okay, you're not doing that to her. No. You wanna see my angry face? Yeah. Go get the trucks, Gordon. I'll go get some butter. Oh, your plan won't work. Yes, it will. Dirty things. Trucks, I got a plan. I need you. You to bomb that engine. Boom! Oh no! You did your own weakness. My plan, it didn't work. My plan didn't work. Oh, you're serious? Yeah.
Wow.
I'm angry now. Whoever you need. What are you doing? There. Now your friends can't help. Thomas said, I'm gonna go catch Gordon and Edward, and James said, yes, go get him. Don't run off. My mind. I knock them out. Dean said, then he went off. Then chasing began. I'll get you. I ran away. He went running off. Oh no, you don't. Then he went running. Gotta go get him. Meanwhile, isn't it a lovely day? Huh? What's going on there? Huh? What's that? What's that? And then he saw a diesel come by. He ran. And then he saw Thomas angrily chasing him. I'm gonna get him. What the? He said, sorry, I'm gonna go get him. No, you don't. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. The point then Thomas said, wait, was that diesel? I've got you. Uh-oh. To be continued. I hope you liked this video. Got to say, actually was a good one. Because, I'll make a part 2 probably next week or maybe in a year, probably. I hope you liked this video though. So, you know what I'm gonna do.